Malavananian Civil Subramaniam Station Master is West Green, or should I say today, is Mess Green. Oh God, why am I laughing? I have no idea. So not much to show today, I don't know even why I'm doing this, but got to keep going, haven't I, hey? Got to keep going. I'm planning what I've got to do next. There's a few Logos here in Depot Le Fatux. Look at this, my pannier. Hold on, I'll turn it round because I do like the I do like a few things I've done to it. I want to get a fire iron on the back and a bucket, some lights. I don't know how it filled the water tanks. I haven't got any water columns yet, but I'm working on it. I do like the water down the side. So it's L94. Took a shortcut to Titfield and ended up at Futtock's End. A couple of Great Eastern stalwarts here. Funny word, isn't it, stalwart? L1 67721. J17 65539. And N7 69712. Oh, but I've got a foreigner in the shed. Bloody foreigners, they go everywhere, don't they? Oh yes, we foreigners. We come to West Green and run station. Mr. Siva Subramaniam, the lovely British Railways man. Look at this. You know what that is? It's an N2. Great Northern N2. It's a Warren Shepherd kit. It's a preserved one. It's going to be called Sawaza Shepherd. I jest. Let's go and have a butcher's at the other side. Oh, do you like my hose? Look at that. That's my hose. That's why there's puddles of water down there. Someone left the hose on. That's a bit of hookup wire. Let's come in around the back here. Look. Nice, isn't it, eh? Got to get some stuff in there. Brake blocks, maybe some few tools, just general stuff. Whatever the stuff is, it needs to go in there. But I got this back from a mate the other day. Oh look, another in a couple more Great Northern Logos here. Look, J6 from Hornsey Depot. And J50/3 68930, also from Hornsey's Depot. Oh, Subramaniam, he ain't happy, man. He don't like none of this Great Northern stuff coming in his Great Eastern Station, I can tell you. But look at this. This is a easy build Mark 1. This is an SK. Second corridor. Hope you like the seats. My mate Graham did this. You know what he did? There's a book called British Railway Coaches. Can't think who it's by now. I've got a copy of it. Anyway, my mate Graham took a photo of it, of the seating, and he scanned it, whatever he did, he scanned it, and then printed it out. So it's got like the proper seat colours. He did a good job, Graham. Graham's my details man, he knows what he's doing. Now, these are two I built, but Graham did a far better job than me, because he's like that. Graham's a bit like Martin Finney on steroids. No, not quite. No, he's a details man. And I'll turn it round for you so you can have a butcher's at the other side. So you can see inside the seats. Yeah, really good job. Oh, look at that. wonder if it's occupied. I was thinking, forget, people have all this lighting. What I need is DC sound with toilet flushing. That'd be neat, wouldn't it? And a bit of water coming out the bottom. Look, I'll tell you what, show how detailed it is. Look, even the communication cord little handles, he's painted red. I reckon it's pretty smashing, Don't you? I think so. Anyway, that's it. Now, what I've got to do, where do I start? I might build some platforms here, do a bit more ballasting. I'll ballast there. That's going to look lovely and gunky, because this is going to be my coal, see, it says there, coal yard, see? And here's some coal trucks. I weathered these. In fact, I've weathered everything. Nothing's clean here. My wife, she says, well, what'd you go and do that for? What'd you go and make it? I like them shiny. Anyway, that's it. That's it from me. That's all you're getting from the West Green and the Futtocks today. All right, stay tuned. I couldn't resist it. I've got to show you this. There's three of them. I've got another one. I've got a BSK I've built, but I haven't finished it. It's all done except for I've got to do the ends and put the guts in. I mean the seats and whatnot. Anyway, it's good. But wait, I haven't finished yet. I had to show you. See, there's my 4 coaches. There's the one Graham built. Obviously, that's the best one. I've got 2 more. I won't ask him to build them. He'll leave the country. But no, he's done a good job. So that's I've got, what else have I got? I've got an RMB to build. That's going to go on Commonwealth bogies, and I've got a I've got a BSO, I think. So what have I got there? That's a CK. That's a SO, and this is a BSK. But I haven't put the innards in, or the tank fillers, or finished the ends. But I'm getting there. They look pretty impressive. Trouble is, they won't. Futtock's end isn't made for these. But I bought these when I was going to do London to Scotland, full size, Oh dear, London to Edinburgh, I mean. Anyway, that is really it from me for this video. I will not be back until I make another video. So it's goodbye from me, and it's goodbye from Mr. Madhavananian Silver Supermanium. Station Master is West Green. Thank you. Forgot to turn it off. You didn't know there was drones at West in 1959, did you? Neither did I. But in my imagination, there was.